Samsung's new S95B TV is positioned as an enhancement to its already sprawling TV lineup. And while some enthusiasts think it might be the next big thing in the industry, there may be more to it. Let's take a look at the stunning Samsung S95B OLED TV and if it's worth the price.
Let's get started.
Design. After removing the components from the packaging, the Samsung S95B presents a minimalistic appearance, thanks to its slim profile and nearly undetectable screen bezels. It has a thin profile that flares up to 40 millimeters at the base to accommodate the electronics, connections, and speakers, making it look like the bulk of other OLED TVs on the market.
Oh, okay, wow.
This TV is slim, even when compared to other OLEDs. Given that the panel's larger lower section covers only roughly half of its width, the structure as a whole is somewhat flimsy due to its thin depth. This causes the panel to bend alarmingly as the stand is attached.
Really?
The stand then locks into place with clips. Samsung's S95B TV has a sleek metal stand with a brushed finish and a small footprint, making it easy to set up on a media console or credenza. You still need to be careful while moving the TV, but after assembly, the Samsung S95B does seem more robust, and the stand's lower footprint makes situating it easier. The TV can be wall-mounted with either a regular 300x200mm VESA bracket or Samsung's slim fit support. The S95B OLED TV seems pretty heavy with a weight of 21.2 kilograms when not attached to its stand, and 25.5 kilograms when attached to its stand.
That's incredible. It's incredible!
Features. The Samsung S95B has two remote controls, a regular black plastic zapper, and a solar-powered smart version with a rechargeable battery and shortcuts to streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and Samsung's own TV+.
Wow, that's a lot.
If there isn't a lot of natural light in your TV room, you can still charge the remote wirelessly through radio waves, which includes any Wi-Fi signals that are bouncing around. The S95B TV includes 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs, which supports 4K at 120 Hz, HDR, VR with FreeSync Premium, and Auto Low Latency mode, which will please TV nerds everywhere.
I'm pleased.
We'll go into details about the other connectivity ports and options the Samsung S95B provides soon, so stay tuned. Performance. With its new patented qd-oled, qd-oled technology, the Samsung S95B is a 4K HDR smart TV.
That's right.
Like the Sony A95K OLED, the new TV uses blue OLEDs to self-illuminate each pixel, with quantum dot layers forming the red and green subpixels. As a bonus, this method not only solves the problem of blue OLEDs degrading at a faster rate than red and green OLEDs, but also produces sharper images and more accurate colors. According to Samsung, the Quantum HDR OLED expands the dynamic range beyond what is possible in HD. This makes it possible to go from deep black to crisp white, all with the wider spectrum of cinematic colors. Samsung's 4K Neural Quantum processor drives the S95B TV's picture, and the most recent version of the Tizen operating system ensures its smooth operation. Besides Dolby Vision, it supports HDR10, HLG, and HDR10+, and features a filmmaker mode. You can enjoy your favorite films or video games in complete darkness thanks to the innovative self-emissive panel technology used in this device. The high peak brightness and great color gamut of HDR video make it seem fantastic. Samsung's S95B TV is definitely one of the best on the market, but if you are looking for other options, you can subscribe to our channel and get access and notifications on our other reviews.
Okay, it's on.
Audio. When it comes to audio, the Samsung S95B is equipped with numerous speakers to create the illusion that sounds are emanating from the exact positions of on-screen objects. Thanks to Samsung's object tracking sound technology, Samsung's Key Symphony sound is also compatible with the S95B OLED TV and coordinates the TV speakers with a Samsung soundbar. In addition, you can use Dolby Atmos wireless audio connectivity via Dolby Digital Plus for Samsung soundbars. which means you'll be getting an even more immersive listening experience that makes it feel like you are actually at the cinema. Also, when you use Wi-Fi, it allows for a fast enough audio connection that minimizes latency. The good news is, it all comes at quite an affordable, or rather a reasonable price. We'll elaborate more on that later, so make sure you don't miss it.
No way I'm missing this!
Connectivity. Though it lacks Samsung's proprietary One Connect box, the S95B OLED TV provides a generous number of connections thanks to its 4 HDMI inputs, 2 at the set side and 2 at the bottom. Like we said before, in addition to 4K/120 Hz, VRR, and ALLM, HDMI 3 also supports EARC, even though one of the HDMI ports is labeled as an EARC input. A PlayStation 5, Xbox One S, gaming PC, and soundbar or A/V receiver could all be connected to it simultaneously. You're also getting 2 USB 2.0 ports on the side, while the bottom of the device features terrestrial and satellite TV tuners, an optical digital output, and an Ethernet port. Also, there are several wireless options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirPlay 2 compatibility. Price. As far as pricing is concerned, the Samsung S95B seems pretty affordable. It comes in 2 sizes, with the 55-inch Samsung S95B going for $2,200, while the 65-inch model will set you back $3,000. Compared to the Sony A95K range, which has the same Samsung-made QD-OLED screen, Samsung is offering competitive prices for what amounts to new technology. So would you go in for the Samsung S95B or opt for a much cheaper model? Let us know in the comments section. The Samsung S95B is a fantastic TV overall, with a new self-emissive panel technology, an impressive high peak brightness, and exceptional color gamut. Not to mention its exceptional viewing angle. So is it worth the price? Yes, it definitely is, and a perfect alternative for the Sony A95K2. But you should find out for yourself in our next feature. 5 things to consider before buying Sony A95K QD-OLED 4K TV. Is it worth buying? And weigh your options. Thanks for watching.